Alright, guys, this way. Jaden, where are we even going? Well, we're off to get some flying type Pokemons. Because I heard the next gym is fighting types. So we need some flying types. Well, I do have Rowlet. Well, I have Rowlet too. But some of us don't even have flying types. So we need some too. So I'm just gonna search for one. If anyone want to tag along, you can join me. Yeah, I'm gonna search for some flying types over there. I'm coming with Jane. I'm coming with them. I'm coming with Ash. Well, I guess we should set up a campsite. Yeah, since they're gonna be fighting some Pokemons now. Yeah. But I could do some bird watching. Okay. Hey. See ya, Owlet. Bye, guys. Alright, Pomni. Keep a close eye on some flying type Pokemons. We need to find one. Well, what about that one over there? Huh? Wow, a Corviknight. Corviknight? Corviknight, the Raven Pokemon. A flying and steel type. Corviknight has no rivals in the Galar skies. They are really strong, and they would pluck at anyone who enters their territory. So that's a Corviknight. And it says here it's the final evolution of Rookidee. Well, I'm ready to catch one, so let's do this, Pikachu. Pika! Hey, no fair. I wanted to catch it. Well, I'm an experienced Pokemon trainer, so I should catch it. So when have you have experience making you want to catch it? Because one of your Pokemons don't even have anything that is good up against Corviknight. That is true. Alright, Pikachu, let's do this. Pika! Corviknight! Let's see what flying type Pokemons do we have to find around here. Hey, Jane, I see a flying type Pokemon right behind you right now. Oh, really? Then where? It's right behind you, Jaden. Whoa! And Unfezant. Oh my gosh, an Unfezant. Awesome, an Unfezant. I mean, I know how people said that Unfezant is a terrible regional bird Pokemon, but it's a shiny. It's a shiny Unfezant. I want a shiny Unfezant. Just let me get my Pokeball and... Alright. Rabbit, go get him. Rabbit. On. Alright, Rabbit. Use Electro Ball. Rabbit. Man, that did good damage. Yeah, considering that Rabbit knows Electro Ball. By the way, Jaden, how did you teach Rabbit Electro Ball? That's from our special training with Ash. Huh? Hoot. Wow. Agatha, look! A shiny Hoot. Wow. We're seeing two shiny Pokemons here. Wow. I want to catch a Hoot. I'll just be... Hoot! Hey, wait! Hoot! Come back! Owl Girl... We'll be back, Jaden. I just gotta get Owl Girl. Okay? Hey, just hurry back. For the love of God. Ash, you do know that your Pikachu's getting mauled by Corviknight because it's such a high level. You know what I'm doing, Pomni? Come on, Pikachu. Hang in there. Pika. Corviknight. Okay. Pikachu, use Electro Web. Pikachu. Corviknight. Alright, Pokeball, let's go. Ash, there's no way you're gonna catch a Corviknight with a Pokeball. Just use something stronger, like an Ultra Ball or something. Or like a Great Ball. But probably an Ultra Ball. Whoa, 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 don't. But that doesn't even make any sense. It doesn't matter, Pommy, but what matters is I just caught a Corviknight. Pikachu. Wow. I can't believe it. I can't believe that Ash caught a strong Pokemon with just a Pokeball. I'm actually impressed. Well, Pomni, what matters is I have a new friend now. Pikachu. I wonder how Jane and Ragatha and Owl Girl are doing. Come on, Rabu. We're tiring that unfezzed out. Let's go. You keep using Electro Ball. Raboot. Fez. Alright, Pokeball. Let's go! Whoa. Ding. Alright! I did it! I caught a shiny Unfezant! Yeah! Raboot. Thanks a lot, Raboot. Alright, get back in your Pokeball. I wonder where's Ragatha and Owl Girl. Come on! He's getting away! Go get him, Rowlet! I'm here. Me too. Alright, Rowlet! Come on! Keep using Peck! Oh, Ragatha, I think Rowlet's evolving. Darktress. Holy crap! Wow, you evolved your Rowlet into Darktress. Darktress is a flying and grass type. Wow. Darktress. He evolved. I think he learned a new move. What's that? Well, I'll show you. Alright, Darktress. Now use Razor Leaf. Alright, Pokeball. Let's go! Ding. Yes! We did! Darktress, good job! Darktress! I can't believe I got another Pokemon. Hey, Owl Girl. How many Pokemons do you have besides Darktress and Hoothoot now? Well, they're the only Pokemons I got. Really? Only 2? Yeah. I'm more of a bird Pokemon kind of girl. And so is Owlet. Yeah, true. That does make sense. Anyway, we should go back. Yeah. Come on, Darktress. Let's go. Darktress! Wait for me. Huh? What the? Surfetch! 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 Fetch! 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 Hey, a Surfetch. Hey, buddy. What you doing? Surfetch! Huh. I like your sword fighting, sir. Hey, Jesse. Oh, you found a Surfetch, huh? Yeah, I do. Surfetch. Fetch. Hey, Surfetch. Sir, would you like to join with me in my journey? Sir. Surfetch. Surfetch. Let's be good friends, okay? Surfetch. Wow. She caught him. Well, he could be really handy to her. He could be. Hey guys. Oh, I see that Jessie has a new Pokemon, huh? Yeah, she does. Glad to have you on my team, Surfetch. Return. I got a great Pokemon on my side now. Yeah, I wonder how the others are doing. I don't really know. But I hope they're having a great time. Oh, hey, Jane. What you got? Well, I caught a shiny on Pheasant. What you got, Ash? I just caught Corbinite. Hey, boys. Oh, hey, Owl Girl. What's up? Well, I caught a new Pokemon, which is a shiny Hoot. A shiny? You two caught shiny Pokemons? Yup, I guess so. And look at this. Tortoise! Wow, you evolved of your Rowlet into Darktriss. That's awesome. I'm proud of you, Owl Girl. Congrats. Thanks. Darktriss is one step closer to becoming a Decidueye. Yeah, he is. We should go back. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, we're back. Oh, what did you guys caught? Well, I caught a shiny on Pheasant, Owlgirl caught a shiny Hoot, and Ash just caught a Corbinite. And also, I evolved my Rowlet. Wow, a Darktriss? Your Rowlet must have evolved. Wow, that is really cool that your Rowlet just evolved. Yeah, I just really hope that my Rowlet will evolve. By the way, Rowlet, what Pokemons do you have besides Rowlet? Well, him and... Torchic! You only have Rowlet and a Torchic? Torchic! Yup, I only have these two Pokemons. I really wish I could catch some other bird Pokemons. Well, I caught myself a Surfetch, in case you guys need to know. You caught a Surfetch? That's great. I don't blame Jesse. I caught one, too, back in my Pokemon Journey days. Wait, you caught your own Surfetch? Yeah, it was a Galarian Farfetch when the Galarian Farfetch was the first Pokemon in the Galar region I ever caught. But now it just evolved into Surfetch. Maybe he can teach your Surfetch a thing or two. Yeah, that is true. You know what? I think I'm getting jealous of your guys' bird Pokemons. I'm gonna catch my own. I could catch another Pokemon besides Grookey. So, I'll catch some Pokemon too. See you guys later. See ya, Tails. See ya, Owlet. Bye, guys. I'm just glad we have some new friends. Yup. And I have my newly evolved Darktriss. Darktriss!